Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a super fast and easy stir-fry rice noodles. So the ingredients are very flexible, I can say. You can put your own favorable ingredients in. So like put a little bit veggie, a little bit meat, and maybe a fish ball or some other stuff. So today I'm going to use a fish paste, a little bit cabbage, and my homemade chicken mince. This is the pre-cooked chicken mince that I've freezed into a cube, so I can put it into the soup to make a soup noodle base. And now today I'm going to just put it into my stir-fry rice noodle. I'm going to cook 2 pieces of this kind of square, very thin rice noodles. This is 1 to 2 people's portion, depends on how much you can eat. For me, 1 piece of this kind of rice noodle pack will be enough for me. So today I'm cooking 2 pieces, which is for 2 portions for me. But if you can eat more than 1 piece, you can add another piece in. Firstly, I'm going to soak this rice noodle into the water first, just the tap water. I'm also putting a little bit of fish paste, tofu skin. If you have barbecue pork or anything, if you like it, you can just use those as well. But today I only have this fish paste tofu skin at home, so that's why I just put a little bit there. This is my homemade chicken mince. I also put shiitake mushroom and onion inside, so it is seasoned and pre-cooked. I freeze it into a cube. So if I want to make a soup, I can just drop a cube to the soup. And now today I'm going to use it for my stir-fry rice noodle. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use other cooking oils. Just make it into smaller pieces. Put the fish paste in as well. Put the vermicelli in. Tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. It is for enhancing the color only. If the color is not enough later, we can add a little bit more of dark soy sauce to make the color tempting. So now I just put a little bit of water in, about 60 ml I think. Mix them. Okay, just put my pre-cooked mince cube inside. Put the lid on and then turn the heat to medium and cook it for about 2 minutes and check the texture of the rice noodle. Now it's 2 minutes, so it's still like not yet cooked. Even this one is not totally defrosted, but the rice noodle has almost soaked all the water, so we need to put a little bit more water in. I'm putting another 30 ml water in, and this time I turn it to the high heat for another 2 minutes. Okay, another 2 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Oh. You see, it's pretty dry now. So, and then it's almost all dissolved, but I think I need some more water, another 30 ml, because the rice noodle is dry, so it can absorb lots of water to make it like softer and cooked. So we need to constantly add water, but at the same time we do not want too much water in it. So now, see, even though I add another 30 ml water, the rice noodle absorbs it very fast. So I'm going to taste the rice noodles, see if I need more or salt or not. A little bit salt will be even better for me. Okay, and it's dry out, so I need some more water. Okay. It's actually pretty okay now, so I just need to mix them all well, and it's done. And lastly, just need a little bit sesame oil. And I can turn the heat off now. It's all done now. And garnish with a little bit of sesame. And that's done. It tastes so good. It's just super easy to make, as you can see. I think everyone can make it at home. I hope you will like these stir-fry rice noodles, and I'll see you next time.